So why is this push for AI intensifying now? So we need to understand what are the major forces that are driving this urgency of AI implementation, AI integration, and we need to understand what are the key operational challenges that AI might solve or may solve or already solving. So if we see from the major forces, the macro forces that are driving this urgency, the major one is the supply chain disruptions. And based on the estimates and the Stellarix analysis, we saw that 70% of the organizations have faced sourcing challenges in year 2023. Along with that, the second major macro force that is skilled labor shortage. So there is this is a two-faced problem, we would say. There is an aging workforce, and then there is a lack of skill. So aging workforce is one problem where there are not many people available to work into the manufacturing plants. But at the same time, when we think about integrating the AI into those manufacturing plants, then there comes the problem of skills where the employees, or maybe there is not a right amount of availability of AI skilled labor that can work or that can manage those AI powered systems. So this is a two-faced problem: an aging workforce as well as the AI powered skilled workforce. Because of all these two major issues, the input cost of the organizations is rising because aging workforce is increasing the input operational cost, as well as the supply chain disruption is causing another amount of large input cost for the organization, and that is eventually reducing the margins of the companies. Then there are sustainability mandates that has to be taken care by the organizations, because now sustainability is not an optional, it has eventually become a mandate for all organization, and that is putting another force pressure on the organization to integrate the AI. And then another important area that is forcing this AI adoption is the shorter innovation cycle. Now the consumer doesn't wait for a very long time, so organization need to go for faster NPI, faster new product introductions, new customizations into their product. And if the cycle is longer, then eventually they might lose their business uniqueness. So that's where AI integration is becoming very essential for organizations. Now, there are certain challenges that definitely AI can solve, and there are proven cases around that as well, which spans starting from the predictive maintenance to the real time energy optimization. So, it can help in reducing the unplanned downtime, be it quality related issues, the forecasting inaccuracy to understand what is going to be the future demand, what inventory an organization should have at their end, the optimization of the machinery, the process optimization, and the sustainability targets. So AI can help into solving all these challenges and help your businesses eventually grow. And because of this, only the 57% of manufacturers are seeing the value of AI and saying that adoption of AI is now business critical. It is not experimental anymore. So they already started feeling that it is essential to integrate AI into their business processes, be it at the manufacturing floor or on the back end side.